mara usebenzile makafika lo muntu loya
tough guy
hey usipanile lo muntu oqale wabuyisa bokunika nana phela iconfidence kaKunika ibuyiswe uMikel uMikel yo leyo lana by appoint as captain yalithatha ibhande yamgaya
yakabani
umuntu uKunika
aka uMikel
yo ugaye uMikel uKunika uthaza abe captain ku Chiefs ugaye umuntu then njengoba sebazoyichange manje banikeza umuntu Peterson ukuthi abe ucaptain yabo but i-defense Chiefs there was nothing wrong with defense Chiefs because even nama games afinyana manje uya-check uMako obviously udlalisa neStellenbosch lapha nomuntu bebaphasa amabhola high ungabi obhola lokaya phezulu
just a trip away. Let's continue. Then, if you can remember, students, I think few episodes back we spoke about Al Ahly where, but if they're gonna start losing games, they wanna deduct 30% of their salaries. So they lost 2-1, and I think it's happening. What did I tell like 30%? So tell now, wonder what do you think?
Yeah, but
with that strategy, there's what's my player want to leave or deduct him whole.
No, but baro. Lapho uzoyibeka straight wrong da. Because obvious if ukuthi now ufuna ama player deliver mele wenze into right.
Bakathela uqosha amacoaches.
Maybe let's understand ukuthi yini into right okumele bayenze if isifuna ama player deliver.
Yeah,
mele yini right okumele bayenze.
No, bayekele if ukuthi bayaphetha baxosha uthola ama player masha ngithi wena ubona ngathi lento abenza
yini. It's on contract guys.
Yeah, I'm a player on contract, but when you contract yakho manje so yenza ukuthi manje akusesele contract abayisayinile. If umuntu wena uzothi ukhatha 30% kwi salary yethu as players, that means when the contract yethu ayisekho right.
Because of how to leave. Because you know why sometimes when I support this team, because sometimes not know coach, but I'm a player now they should take responsibility.
So but you expect ukuthi wona mawungena ground in at leave.
Baba teams you get by benzani.
Okay, a simple thing. I cannot say Minuguti it's no longer their contract. This thing it's performance based at the end of the day. I need to say Minuguti was a performer like you will find other contracts even a PSL that says a player should play at least 70% of the games. Okay, that's why player normal lose ground in. And then we go to a point where we say Nguti if we win this and then you get certain bonuses. It's part of a contract. So for me it makes sense okay, naku ngiyakusayina uhola 100,000 every month. But then if we angidlisa or if team I win and then I need to cut into salary yakho, I need to take 30% of that salary. So that ukuthi nawe mawungena ground ungena uyazi ukuthi uyosebenza lapha and uyosebenzela phela uyasebenza so mawunga deliver kumele senzeni. Aba deliver mina I feel like it's something that they can implement go wonke lama team la.
Okay, yeah, for me I support it because like looking at the Al Ahly sishintsha abacoach abhayi. You understand? And also all the teams banama standards bench. You understand? I need to be sure ukuthi mina ngikhona ukuthi na current players as like the Chiefs they don't respect the culture team, they don't respect the management, people who came before them.
Yeah.
You understand? About respect teachers, and that thing is very important. So na Al Ahly nganza I feel the same with these new players, they don't respect the team looking at the track record at the moment. You understand? So that because sometimes you can understand when we are okay man ngawina la ndothola ama bonuses bayathola ama bonuses ngoba winile mabaluzile wakhatha it's fair enough ukakhatha because babonika ama bonus mabonile abasho ukuthi ayikho contract or in bayawathatha right because they performed very good. So it means if performance was bad it's fair enough ukuthi akhathwe. You understand? Because that time bathi bazobakhatha bayenzani they started winning games.
You see, and then mawungena ground now you know ukuthi hayi kumele ngiyosebenza lapha. So if udlala uDodi Wanda then ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngibe on your case baba siyaluza la because imali yethu yakhathwa not like ukuthi we only losing 3 points, we also losing nasemaphaketheni. So it's fair enough. For me I think it was going to be best if from the start ama contract ayenzwa based on performance. Simple.
So according to me into engifuna ukuyazi okay fine labantu abajelo bakhathela ama salary mabakhathela ama salary which means in the contract ya change.
Already it's there ukuthi siyavumelana ukuthi mangabe niyadliwa 30% izodidact.
Menvume bese niyazi kuthini angeke siziwe thina.
Yeah. Angeke ngithi niyazazi.
Lapha kwa.
So
man side 30% is good.
Yeah, but for me I think it's good because this owning a club is expensive. That's number one.
Serious.
Looking at the money keeper PSL for my teams in land. That guy takes guys to complain to spend more than 5 million every month. while i-PSL ibanika 2 million. You understand?
Yeah.
Then ufika ama-player angathathi ama-games serious. It's business every day lento le. And bona imali yabo month end bayifuna injalo.
Ngasikhathi awuna sponsor.
Awuna sponsor, awuna nix, yeah.
That's not fair, man. Yabo. So I think sometimes it's about time nama-player naqala confused because they can't be bazokhupha noma coach abo-coach mid-season. We have to pay them imali uyalunguza either way. Angathi ufika ngithola. That's why Kaizer Chiefs ayenze ukucoach abo-coach mid-season because they know ukuthi mangingamcoach that means the money yonke esele 6 months I'll have to give it meaning
exactly awuna choice.
So it's good now ngipharishe baphi labe bami la.
Simple.
Uthathe lama 30% ubhadala ukhusha.
So that's what they did. It's even worse here, but when about drawing against a team there, but Tala El Gash. You understand? So it bends on
And then let team number last.
Yinto engifuna ukuya kuyo le.
Number last. Yeah.
It's even worse.
Yabo. Yinto engifuna ukuya kuyo. Udraw ne-team okungamelanga udraw nayo. So then it's a problem.
It's a problem. Do you understand now?
Yeah.
The punishment if you never favor.
No, it's
maybe
part
if
of
it was
discipline.
Zamalek or yabona any other team ngabe kungcono.
Nami bengizoyithatha i-30%.
Futhi ngabe bathatha 35.
We look way fast. Let's move. We only left 27 minutes on the clock. Then so we're not gonna take time kuyo. B was my first time ever ngibuka idiski. Ngibona ama red card ay-23 in one game. First time ever.
23.
Yeah, the last week. Kune game bekhona between El Cruzeiro ne Atlético Mineiro. Players were involved in a massive brawl during a heated match. The chaos resulted in 23 red card, marking it of one of the wildest disciplinary moments seen in Brazilian football. For me, I don't think Brazilian football, like in history, yeah, 23.
I know, I guess, and also it's unnecessary.
Red cards.
It's unnecessary. Because already, if you keep at 23 red cards, that means
You can yeah. I'm not playing first of all ground.
So ukhiphe almost bonke abantu abasegroundini wakhipha nabasebenchini.
Shoot akunabantu ground.
Akunabantu eground.
So kudlala bobani.
So it doesn't make sense.
Now the other team end up winning, and we final apparently.
We ngabobani because abantu bathe bonke abothola ama red cards.
So I didn't really follow up on the story, but also don't red cards dramatic.
For me, I think good as soon as.
But also, did you guys watch that video? Did you watch the video?
No.
Yeah, that video it's bad because sometimes.
Yeah,
that's why I may understand why our keeper won't even though there was no need, but because I would be
the game was supposed to be suspended.
There it's an offense.
But Mphathi, leyo nto I think it goes to a point to which okay, now this is uncontrollable. Then you close shops. Like you suspend the game, labantu labana akusadingi nokuthi azathole ngisho nane red card lo yamuntu lo. So kumele ahambe manje ayi ku disciplinary hearing ukuthi okay, like wena uyalwa suspend maybe ama game athile or afine whatever manje afine yona. Because ukumnikeza red card awuzenzele record elingena sense nje. 23 red cards ngegame lokuthi hayi. Mina if I was a fourth official or a match official lapha bengikhatha le game ngiyayicancela and then kumele kanje kiwe kwi disciplinary hearing.
Yeah.
It should be final. That's another thing.
But even if it can be final, so people should die now just because of its final. It doesn't make sense. They cancel and game before kuze kwenzakala ini fika ama security lapha plus baba choke.
Because ama security is call one time.
Yes, ba choke once. Ahle kubani phela. Awu lento le yazi ukuthi we understand ukuthi ibhola it's an emotion sport, it's emotional and also but then guys we need to also learn to control our emotions. Remember ukuthi kunama results ayi3 esiwabhekile mase groundini. You win, you lose or you draw. Exactly. And then kuwo lawo ma results lawo kusalo Mr. Rev. Mr. Rev can make a decision wrong angayenza in ziningi izinto ezenzakala egroundini. So once you fail to control your emotion then that means you have failed in life because of lento yenze groundini usazohlangabezana nayo like personally somewhere espanini or kuphi you will end up beating ama boss wakho manje because aba deliver. Guys, come on.
It's a mess. Moving right along, SAFA leadership controversy. In South Africa, Danny Jordan is reportedly attempting to secure a 4th term as a president of South African Football Association. However, controversy has emerged with reports that members who opposed the move were suspended, raising concerns about governance and transparency within SAFA.
I'm suspended myself because I'm opposer. Like I have a problem.
Now,
with-
he didn't have a physical.
Yeah,
Yeah, but
ngibona
kwamele be physical, guys.
kancane. You know the challenge with this name. I was glad last week ukuthi political parties, they were being mentioned. This is the problem that we are having currently, even Nangesafa, because they are using same stupid strategies. Even when they go to this conference, those political parties, they suspend people who oppose then you get suspended. We have seen that in almost all these political parties, besides DA, because they don't do such. But that to these big ones, they do the same. So the same strategy that Jordan did is strategy awareness of very political party. Okay, these people, they don't want me, and then I will have to find a way to suspend them so that they're not going to be there. So we are for term. So that's why I have a problem with that guy.
Wonder your thoughts?
Hayi. Mina mfethu lento ikhuluma Dumsani, it's a point, because ekugcineni uJordan mfethu sekusikhathi eside kuyi-president yourself. They need to change him. Because ekugcineni akadeliver anything. You understand? Ekugcineni akunanto asisiza ngayo. So why bangamchange and then babheka omunye umuntu ukuthi then uzodeliver yini? You understand? Because manje lento abayenzayo i-corruption. Yeah, it's a corruption.
Yeah, but also when we can't solely blame him alone. Yeah, and it's sad there because we're having a lot of on that committee, we're having a lot of black people as well. You understand? So it means when abantu who support Jordan, looking at how things are, because there's a grouping. I would say I'm full. They are fair, man. It's been long since the president. That guy is old now. They understand nothing good. We are from Isafa. You're looking at women's football in South Africa, Safara. Banyana, Safara. I understand there's a lot of problems whenever it comes to South African football. You understand? Besides, sometimes I'm spoiling because of focus on PSL, you understand? But there's a lot of problems that we're having in this country. You understand? So, him, for 10 men, why am I president? The president, you can't go. Like South Africa, you can't go for a third term. You can only be president first and second term.
Yes.
I think now it should be the same.
Exactly.
No, but also even the crew, they are not fighting to come and make change. That's the problem.
All of them, they want to eat.
Yeah,
they want to eat, yes, because that's their strategy. So they just want to. Mina, according to me, I wonder if the young Mina isafanga biyaqhaqha yonke. We cannot have people there because of Kokobabo bayenzani. Like that's one problem that I'm having. Uteni Jordan walidlala ku people. And then now you come, you hear the Safa. The only thing oyazi ukuthi yena no nalwa sports. Mackenzie bahambe bafly bona amajimbo ahambe ngebus ukuya kwinto kwi-AFCON or kuya ku-World Cup, they should suffer. Lo muntu cabanga uhlale eDubai ochama uyobukela i-World Cup kuphi or uyobukela in uyafly like ngemali kabani imali estate labantu bayimisuse imali estate. So the best thing that can happen now, siqala ngaba abo Jordan abahambi bonke kungasali ngisho noyi1 lapha ya, because bonke abaqualify kuba lapha. Okokuqala abanye abana nama matric banjalo. Then sibuye size ku PSL na umkhulu ukhoza naye
agcwala indlela.
yakagcwala ibhantsha ligcwala umoya.
Yeah, because vele naye akasizi ngayo.
Yayikho into abasiza ngayo
abasizi ngayo. Labantu laba bada just ukuthi bona babe nemali.
Ayikho into abasiza
babe grand for into zabo.
So then it should go like to that. Ngoba sihlulekile ngithi ukuthi sibaxoshe lapha yana kumanto ama cupcakes nani. Then kulezo zebhola. Let's deal with people who have been there. Other players baze bayana sesikoleni futhi on top of that. Then they can be able to manage those things. They can be able to manage those things. So abahambe yazi ngavele ngakhathala mphathi ngathi ngingazala ama chips lawa wasezusi yabona sikwazi ukuthi sidle kube mnandi because mina uyangidepress.
But also, and we've been complaining about Udeni, man. We've been complaining, and a lot of people, they are complaining about him, and now it's starting to be a big problem because now we structure the support already it's divided, because already it means they are divided now. If the team Udeni will continue with President Safa going forward, because it's another how many years?
They're not taking 5.
That means Bazum Faga for another 5 years.
Yeah, that's
number 1. How old is that guy? Because it looks old.
Yeah,
Udala.
Udala
Umuntu
lo
uyophatha
muntu.
ama-position ayi-2 bekayi-premier eCape Town or kuphi ayinto i-president yeSAF. Cabanga 2 position kwi-population over 60 million. Guys, we having people abanama-position crucial ayi-2. It doesn't make sense le nto
No, it
leya.
doesn't make
Ngathi ubani uSupra lo was-suspenda, was-bhalela iletha, wa-resigna, wayiphikisa. South Africa is a joke. South Africa is just a joke. Ayikho la england. Mina for mina uDanny Jordan wafethu, Danny Jordan must fall, guys. And then Khohliwe futhi kuza nama-black card.
But also, why is it the PSL, they're not saying anything about this? Club owners, they're not, because lento le affect abantu laba esikhathini esiningi yabo. Coach, no one is saying anything
They are part
about
of
this.
it.
No, baya benefit.
They are part of it. Even the black people that are saying uDanny Jordan angahambi, they are benefiting.
Exactly.
So they are part of it. Ukhoza uya benefit. Ukaizer uya benefit.
Exactly.
What makes Kaizer Chiefs to be the only team eshanga ama-sponsor amaningi than any other team?
Yeah.
Yes, we understand ukuthi uJesse kuyasebenza wenza ini, but these people are benefiting. Those people, like, they are getting something out of all this chaos eyenzakalayo laphaya. So it's like it's a problem. Yazi, hey, I've discovered one thing. Most, if not all, businessmen that we have in South Africa, they are ANC members. Most of club owners, they have that thing. They are part of it.
ANC.
Yabon. So it's a problem. And unfortunately, we have mentioned I'm a political party while and this is not part of politics. But we don't have a choice because of those people. They are affecting football at the end of the day.
No, it's bad, man. We're hoping good to job about manje. Bazohlephukela and bafaka umuntu obetha students
Angeke
Yeah,
nami
but I wonder how much are they earning these people as
For nothing.
It's a lot of money. Yeah, because have you seen how Nigerians are complaining about their federal institutions in Nigeria? Because it's worse, man. Because there's a lot of corruption. Good Nigerian Federal Football Associations. So that's why it's even worse. Bad compared to this one. And do you think it might get to that level?
Corruption, okay, in terms of illegal ukuthi ibe worse, I doubt ukuthi ngafika ku that level, but I'm definitely sure ukuthi corruption eseNigeria is kancane. Kunasemzansi.
You think?
I know. Hey, guys, akunandawo corrupt njenge South Africa. Okay, as much as singathi like Nigerians this, Nigerians that, South Africa is corrupt, guys. That's why you will find so many like foreigners basemzansi, because of they can do like as they please. It's based on corruption asemzansi. Hi guys, corruption la? Never.
It's a problem. Let's move. Let's keep it moving. There is something that I came across that is interesting, and I wish South African footballers or teams or leagues implement because we've seen a lot of South African soccer legends, man. After football, it becomes a problem, man. It's only few people who sustain after football, you understand? And most especially, few, because you understand? But a lot of them, man, it's a serious problem, you know. So, a Belgium league, Belgium league retirement fund system. Yes. So that has a unique system designed to protect players after retirement. The league deducts 30% of players' salaries into a retirement fund, helping them secure financial stability once their playing careers end. So in South Africa, Andile Chale benefited from this system during his time playing in Belgium. You understand? That's why now I'm going to Chale. And for me, that's interesting, man. What's your take, inside?
We will never have that for as long as Sanabo Danny Jordan. We will never have that for as long as Sanabo Ivan Khoza, because of Bakabanga Pentium 1. Like in Gondozalaban Lava, I was going to cut says I'm a floppy disk. That's the problem that we are having. It's a good strategy, Lesana, because of I'm a player way too. Obviously, once we figure not training, then we are confused. Ubonimali, ufunu flash, ufunu kwenza into. At the end of the day, Mali njalo. Ngeke uthi unemali ephaketheni uthi angeke uyithenge into ehalele that particular moment. So we if you remember, we had an episode, no Bruce. And then we said, I think if our agent can like now stop being power hungry or money hungry and start to educate players regarding these things, which okay guys, you need to save. Abo Kaizer Chiefs bane sponsors fana nabo Standard Bank nabo banban, but they don't get financial advisors there with baba advising ngendlela right. The only thing that they do is to tell our players which golf 7, golf 8, golf what, then they in-depth our players. And it's a strategy because that's like how banks operate anyway. They want you to be indebted to them so that so if we can have something like that, I think it can be one of the best thing. I'm a player which was okay, at least after then retire bana everything, then we just decided like which after la kufuna ukwenzani. So for me, I will vote for that. Firstly, we need to vote Danny Jordan out.
Yeah. But according to me, bengicabanga ukuthi what if mabengahlala phansi at least bake discuss kahle lento ukuthi at least ama player after retirement bawenzele league yabo. You understand? Maybe babe ne league after retirement kube ne league abayidlalayo abafuna ukudlala. You understand? Because sometimes lama player lawa yasafara after phuma ku PSL or anywhere la babuya khona. You understand?
Yeah, but after retirement it means you have to go. If football, you're still in the age, because I care about to a certain age, you understand? Then Kumbulo, we can fund many bodybuild. You can't be bodybuilder for the rest of your life. You understand? If you at a point, you get my point. So I think it's the same thing. Yeah. Well, so having that retirement fund is a span. And I suppose after this, Kimoni you choose about 3, 4, 5, 10 million. You can still start a business or stay now. But now you don't see that in most leagues, even in South Africa. And because if you can check us out, these players are earning good money. Most players, not all of them, but most players. That's why in Africa, they always rank us the best league because of them. We pay good money. You understand? But it's sad to see about the Jagabul Rato Shabam, Lava Corner right now. Bengboy Steve Lukolia right now. He's working for a podcast in Chile. You understand? But I'm born with. Skin soldiers born with
Sola la Everton la Mapusmanini ubone ukuthi nkosi yami
bebuye kuqala
those are legends. I would see baphume through injury or they retired at the right age. You understand? But because of now there's no one, and also I also blame these agents now because the agency is a role by manager who and by manager who Mila akhona ukalokhisela if umuntu uzokudila ngefinance yakho even after it is key like those agents now I think they're just milking this money for no reason.
That's how it is. It's always like that. That's why you will find other players to sign a Nobanbani, then the agent say change us name with I'm going to sign an alona because of Babon with okay lapano powetela something. And also this thing my agent manangi understand gash. How many do we have Do we have like those agent companies?
There are a lot, yeah.
There are a lot.
Yeah.
But it seems like it's only few people that are running there that are calling the shots up there.
Yeah, they're no Bruce.
Yeah.
He runs the seasons. Seasons. I think really parrots. So, but I some of my agents and general brand deals, you understand? They only interfere with those a disc. It's cutting his name. We have just to brand them and whatsoever. But even though you're sort of show, they are. You don't get a gatekeeper bench.
That's the thing. That's what I'm trying to go into. Because of you looking at McNabb or something. Kind of this guy that guy, I think manager almost
everyone
90%, if not every player Kaizer Chiefs. And then that will go to Pirates as well. So it's the same person like Orotetisa lama player lao. And even if no muyago still is, he plays so ala pana bo police mangabe liyago pakane li manager uye still. So it seems like ngathi manje kunendlela abazokushaya emva kwendlebe ifuthi uzane play lintswempunyana bazokutshela kahle ukuthi okay no iplayer lakho lintswempu lona siyalibona but ukuthi lifike lapha ku PSL kumele ulithengisele umuntu or libe under this person or something like that is something enga add up lapha uyabona corruption yasemzansi yiyo ke lento esikhuluma ngayo hayi umzansi dangerous bafethu.
Yeah, but I think we need that thing to be implemented, even though it's in our only podcasters we can only share our view la online but kunabantu abafectayo angibaboni basihlupha because even soccer players no one is vocal about these things, man. You understand? I think now I'm check collectors. You know what abantu abayolokhola then they are good.
Yeah.
Abacabangeli future and that's a problem too, because why Tina are we so concerned about soccer players while born themselves they're not concerned?
It goes back to I blew it. If you watch that show, I blew it. Still abantu abayithola bayayiblowa futhi. So it's another problem. Like abantu man, a problem with once we are there, you cannot be able to see that thing. Maybe ungazitshela ukuthi hayi mina angizoyizama ngendlela right nana. But when the opportunity arises, then kuba a problem. So for me, I think we need to keep on shouting which is my agent needs to educate players now. My player now azame futhi ukuthi now educate even more. But also we need to push out labo mkhulu laba so that isizofaka abantu abazo implementa lezo zinto lezo ukuthi okay, now the players should be forced, because a simple thing khona manje mphathi, if uyasebenza, if bathi emsebenzini wakho bathi i-medical aid is not compulsory, angeke uyithathe. Ngeke uyithathe, uzothi angeke ngigule mina, yabo. But masolimele lapha nasogula uyayibona ukuthi amanje lento yangisebenzela lena, but ngalesa sikhathi sabo ubona ngathi waste of money, mabaloku badonsa lawo ma 3000 lawo ma 4000 bayithatha bayisa lapha. So that's the problem that we are having, more especially as black people.
Wanda, in closing, my dog.
Hayi.
I think we've come to the end of the show. Then in closing.
Hayi. Mina bafethu ngizobonga anyway yabona. Uku-invite kule show yethu. Yabona. Yabonga Matumza.
Ngiyashayishayira kamhlaba unenca.
Ayikho lonto. Ayikho lonto tata.
Stimza.
Sure. I know. My closing ni revive futhi down ngokhoza, down ngamakhehla nje. To be precise, Danny Jordan for term, no guys, mina ngiyayiphikisa. I saw we should ukuthi South Africa can social media exactly can just wake up and make that thing trend ukuthi asisabafuni namakhehla lawayana. Abo Ivan Khoza abayehle bafethu bayophumula babheka abo Pirates if they have to, or bathumela abafana abancane. Because at the end of the day, labantu laba bazothi mabasebafa laphana nathi soba sesigugile sesifuna ukuyodla futhi. So down ngalezo zinto lezo, and then let's thank Izus guys for hoster. Also sibonge subscription guys, you've been showing much love. Siyabonga asiqhubekeni subscribe yini. We had an initiative ukuthi omunye nomunye umuntu aka-invite just one person to subscribe guys. It doesn't cost a thing, it's just to show you love. Siyabonga, peace out.
Lolo.
La.
Now next time.
Spend some money on just a tree.